Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where you get to experience the finest homes across the United States. Here we bring you inside some of the most luxurious properties that represent not only wealth but also the height of design, comfort, and lifestyle. Every home we show you tells its own story, and today's feature is no exception. Get ready to step into an American luxury home that redefines elegance, technology, and modern living. As we arrive at the property, the exterior alone sets the stage for what is to come. The architecture of this luxury mansion combines timeless design with cutting-edge modern details. Wide driveways paved with natural stone lead you toward an impressive entrance. The facade uses a mixture of glass, stone, and steel, creating a bold yet sophisticated appearance. The landscape is carefully manicured with lush green lawns, water features, and lighting that makes the home glow even at night. This is the kind of home that captures attention before you even step through the door. Moving inside, the grand entrance foyer immediately makes a statement. High ceilings soar above you with designer chandeliers that sparkle across polished marble floors. The open layout welcomes you into a space that feels expansive and airy, yet warm and inviting. Every corner has been designed with detail in mind, blending natural light with architectural brilliance. The living room is truly the heart of the home. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide panoramic views of the surroundings, whether it is a coastal city, the countryside, or a mountain backdrop. This space offers an ideal mix of comfort and grandeur. Modern furnishings sit neatly around a sleek fireplace, and hidden lighting enhances the atmosphere, making it perfect for both daytime relaxation and evening gatherings. The kitchen is another highlight of this luxury home. It is a chef's dream with professional-grade appliances, custom cabinetry, and expansive countertops made from the finest quartz or marble. Double islands create both functionality and style, allowing for easy cooking and entertainment at the same time. Adjoining the kitchen is a formal dining room that seats large parties with elegance, and an additional breakfast area for casual mornings. Large glass doors open toward an outdoor terrace, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living. Bedrooms in this mansion are designed as private retreats. The master suite offers more than just space, it provides a complete experience. From a large sleeping area to a private lounge corner, walk-in closets designed like high-end boutiques, and a bathroom that feels like a spa, the master bedroom is nothing short of spectacular. Bathrooms come with soaking tubs, rain showers, heated floors, and luxury finishes like stone and gold accents. Guest bedrooms are equally impressive, each styled with comfort and personality, ensuring that visitors feel as though they are staying in a five-star hotel. Entertainment is a key feature of American luxury homes, and this one is built with that in mind. A private home theater with recliner seating, surround sound, and acoustic design ensures the best cinematic experience. There is also a game room, a wine cellar with climate control, and a fully equipped gym overlooking either the ocean, city skyline, or garden views. These spaces make the property not just a residence but an all-in-one lifestyle destination. The garage is another feature worth mentioning. Many luxury homes now include underground or multi-car garages with space for a collection of vehicles. Some even include display lighting, polished floors, and advanced security systems, transforming a simple garage into a private showroom. Bathrooms throughout the property are designed with spa-level features. Imagine stepping into a room covered in marble, with natural stone textures, modern fixtures, and mood lighting. Each bathroom feels like a private wellness retreat, giving daily routines an elevated sense of luxury. The outdoor areas are equally spectacular. A large infinity pool often serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by a sun deck, lounge chairs, and outdoor kitchens for entertaining. Rooftop terraces and sky decks provide breathtaking sunset views, and some properties feature private docks or sports courts, taking outdoor living to another level. The landscaping blends natural beauty with modern design, creating outdoor spaces that are both functional and stunning. Technology plays a major role in defining modern luxury homes in the USA. Smart home systems allow owners to control lighting, temperature, music, and security from anywhere in the world. Sustainability is also important, with many properties featuring energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and eco-friendly materials without compromising luxury. What makes a home like this special is not just the size or the materials, but the lifestyle it offers. It is about creating an environment where comfort, beauty, and function meet at the highest possible standard. These are homes designed not just for living but for experiencing life at its most extraordinary. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions as we explored this incredible luxury home in the USA. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue discovering the most amazing homes across the country, make sure you subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will always have a front row seat to the dream lifestyle that these remarkable properties represent.